Thanks, Jerome. And next, joined by Steelers Vice President of Sales and Marketing, Ryan Husjack. Ryan.
Good morning. Thanks for having me. I just wanted to, on behalf of the Steelers organization, express how excited we are for the opening of this area. We started talking to the folks at Palace and Kennywood about this opportunity. We were really energized by the ability to be able to connect with the local community, with the regional community, with youth, and with families in a way that's unique and different from any other sports team has been able to do that in North America. So we're very excited about this. We continue to follow the developments closely, the construction. We're looking forward to showing some of our audiences via our social and digital channels some of the latest images and photography of the coaster. But we were just wanted to reiterate how excited we were as an organization to open Steelers country and certainly take the first few rides on the steel curtain. So thanks for having us, and thanks to the folks at Kennywood and Palace for working with us and being great partners. Appreciate it. Thank you.